Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix touchpad or mouse not working on your laptop. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your touchpad or mouse not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first option is you just need to hold function key and tap in the left corner of your touchpad. This option works maximum of HP laptop. If you are using HP laptop, you can try this option. Just hold down the function key and double tap in left side corner of your touchpad and check whether your touchpad starts working or not. If this doesn't work, then what you have to do, you have to just press Windows plus I key, then you just need to first press tab key, then press down arrow, then click on touchpad. After selecting touchpad, just hit enter. If you are using Windows 10, here you will find touchpad sensitivity. You can check this one. If you are using Windows 11, there you will find an option to enable or disable the touchpad. You have to make sure that the touchpad option is enabled. This was the method 2. And the third method is you can check the driver for your touchpad. For that, click on search, then type here device manager. Click on the device manager. Here you can see mice and other device. Here you will find touchpad driver. Right click on that. Click on update driver. Click on search for automatically for the drivers. If this option doesn't work, you just need to right click and click on uninstall. Select this option, then click on uninstall and restart your PC. After restarting, the driver will be installed automatically and check whether the issue has been resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix touchpad not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.